So I want to visit the question again so that I will now solve like Cambridge, short and precise. So now, I find the largest value of A for which the composite function GF can be formed. So this GF depends on this F. So the largest value of A for which the composite function GF can be formed is when f of s is less than or equals to -1. We have the restriction here. So now if I work in terms of A, so that means for the case where A is -1, so I can have f of A is less than or equals to -1. Remember, your f of s is 3s plus 1. So that means f of A is 3a plus 1. So the largest value of A now will be 3a plus 1 is less than or equals to -1. Collect like terms. 3a is less than or equals -1 minus 1. 3a is less than or equals -2. A is less than or equals -2/3. That means the largest value of A for which the composite function GF can be formed is -2/3. If you still say equals to, instead of less than or equals to is allowed, because A is equals to -1. So that means I can also say A is equals to -2/3, or A is less than or equals to -2/3. Anyone is allowed. So now the second one, so just go short and precise. Second question. Solve the equation f of g of s plus 14 is equal to 0. It means g of s is inside f of s. So all these results, put it inside x for f of s. So f of g of s is now 3 into brackets -1 minus s squared plus 1. Remember, this is 3s plus 1. So that will be 3 brackets, this plus 1. So we have plus 14. This one is equal to 0. So 3 open brackets here. This will be -3 minus s squared plus 15. 3 minus 3s squared plus 15 equals 0, because 1 plus 14 is 15. So minus 3s squared plus 12 equals 0. So 3s squared equals 12. S squared equals 12/3. S squared is equals to 4. S is plus or minus square root of 4. S is plus or minus 2. So now, but the restriction in the question is that S is less than or equals to -1. So I'm going to ignore. We got S is plus or minus 2. So meaning S is equals to -2 or S is equals to +2. So I will ignore this because in the question it is for S is less than or equals -1. So the answer I will pick is S is equals to -2, because it's the one that is less than or equals to -1. So the answer is S is equals to 2. So that is the answer. Sorry, the answer is equals S equals -2. So now the third one. So we have G f of s is less than or equals -15. So it means f of s is inside g of s. Anywhere you see s in g of s, put 3s plus 1. So this will be -1 minus 3s plus 1 squared less than or equals -15. So instead of expanding the bracket, so I'll just take this to the other side. So I'll have minus 3s plus 1 square is less than or equals minus 50 plus 1. So minus 3s plus 1 square is less than or equals minus 49. So if you divide both sides by minus, the symbol will change. So 3s plus 1 will be greater than or equals to 49. So to remove this square, it means it's plus or minus. So remember, this will be 3s plus 1 is greater than or equals plus or minus root 49. 3s plus 1 is greater than or equals 7. So that means it's greater than or equals plus or minus 7. So meaning 3s plus 1 is greater than or equals to 7, or 3s plus 1 is less than or equals minus 7. So that's the inequalities. So now for this one, it means 3s is greater than or equals 7 minus 1, or 3s is less than or equals minus 7 minus 1. 3s is greater than or equals to 8 times 6, 7 minus 1, or 3s is less than or equals minus 8. So s is greater than or equals 6 over 3, or s is less than or equals minus 8 over 3. S is greater than or equals to, s is less than or equals minus 8 over 3. So I will ignore this answer because my restriction is s is less than or equals minus 1. So this is the correct answer. S is less than or equals to minus 8. So